Welcome to lesson 7 for the problem set. Hopefully you're just checking your work, seeing how you did. And I'm going to just take a look at this first problem. It says Maritza is baking cookies to bring to school and share with her friends on her birthday. The recipe requires 3 eggs. Looks to me like we've got a ratio going on right there. 3 eggs for every 2 cups of sugar. To make enough cookies for all her friends, Maritza determined she would need 12 eggs. If her mom bought 6 cups of sugar, does Maritza have enough sugar to make the cookies? Why or why not? Okay, so let's take a look at, we know that the recipe requires, I'm going to write right above here, 3 eggs. And for every 3 eggs, we have 2 cups of sugar. So eggs and we have sugar. Okay. Now it says, we know that she calculated that she's going to need 12 eggs. So you know what I'm going to do over here to the side? I'm going to 3 times 4 would give me 12. If I had 2 times 4, that would give me what should be here would be 8. But you know, and that's 8 cups of the sugar. So the mom bought 6 cups. So guess what? She doesn't have enough. So I'm going to write Maritza does not have enough sugar. Why or why not? So she, quadrupled the recipe. So she needs 8 cups of, that's a C, cups of, you can't even tell that. See, I'm trying to write too small. 8 cups of, and we're talking about sugar. I'm squeezing it in there. Okay. So that one we have taken care of. The second problem, Hamza bought 8 gallons of brown paint to paint his kitchen and dining room. Unfortunately, when Hamza started painting, he thought the paint was too dark for his house, so he wanted to make it lighter. Store manager would not let Hamza return the paint, but did inform him that if he used 1/4 of a gallon of white paint mixed with 2 gallons of brown paint, he would get the shade of brown that he desired. If Hamza decided to take this approach, here's our question. How many gallons of white paint would Hamza have to buy to lighten the 8 gallons of brown paint? So we want to know how many gallons of the white paint. Okay, so this is my ratio right here. 1/4 gallon. I know I'm not supposed to put labels in, but 1/4 to 2. In fact, I'll erase that because I really am not supposed to do that. So 1/4 to 2 is my ratio of the white paint to the brown paint. And they're saying he has a total of 8 gallons to lighten. So 2 times, go over here, 2 times 4 is that 8. So whatever I do on one side, I'm going to do on the other. I'm going to multiply 1/4 by 4, put it over 1. 4 over 1 is still a whole number 4. And I get 4/4 which means 1, right? So the question, Hamza decided how many gallons of white paint. So we've got our answer right there. Hamza, whoops, nope. Hamza needs 1 gallon of white paint. That's it. To make the shade of brown. To make the shade of brown. Got it. Okay. So we're good on those. Well done.